So I am thinking, maybe the swamp root is not the thing for you. Maybe what you need is a good old fashioned lyric from the funny bone. Ooh, maybe that will help you out. So, what we will do is give you a limerick from the Mountain Man. He's the old fashioned character, yes? Well, it goes like this. She looked so fair in the cool night air that the wind blew up her nightie, and her tits hung loose like the balls on the moose. How they look so mighty! Ooh! Well, she ran to the bed and hid her head and said that I couldn't find her, but I knew damn well she was lying like hell, 'cause I was right behind her. Well, she wouldn't cut loose, so I pumped her the juice, and now she's got a reminder. And that's the way it goes, kids. Ha ha.